Hello, everyone. Tanya Hertz here. We're talking this week about marketing. And so I'm really excited about the marketing section because as entrepreneurs, you have opportunities today that weren't available before, and you can market your business for very, very little money because of the world of social media marketing, of digital marketing, and we'll show you how to do that. We'll look at how you should be in your marketing decisions. We'll talk about different channels. We'll look at market segmentation and how that can help you to really target your ads specifically to different customer segments and really reach people where they are in the way that they will best understand your business. We'll look at the basics of search engine optimization and how Google ranks web pages and how people find you when they're looking for you. We'll dive into that whole world of social media marketing and how you can use the tools that are out there now to really save money. And we'll talk about how to actually build that marketing campaign and how then you can track your KPIs, your key performance indicators, so that you can tell how well you're doing in terms of marketing and the health of your business. We will discuss just briefly the importance of branding. And in the end, we'll create 2 social media marketing accounts for your startup. And if you have already 2, we will talk about how to make those 2 better and how you can really do well in this age of digital marketing. And in the end, you'll get a badge. And this is just scratching the surface of marketing. In the very end of this lecture, I'll also give you lots of resources that you can use to help yourself. And remember, as an entrepreneur, as a startup founder, you need to know how to do these things yourself. Even if the plan is to pay somebody to bring somebody on who can help with this, you still need to understand, you need to know the basics, especially of marketing, because this is the outward image of your company. And if you hand it over to someone else to do all of it, then you've lost the company image. You're giving somebody else you're handing them the keys and you're letting them drive. And it's okay for them to do so if they know where you want to go. But if it's, if you give it just totally to them and let them do everything, you can get yourself into trouble. Right? Okay, so we're going to start by defining what strategic marketing actually is. So strategic marketing is the process of conducting research, establishing goals, objectives that are going to maximize how effective your marketing strategy is. Basically, what we're saying is, when you're thinking about the marketing of your business, we want you to actually think about it, to be strategic in nature, to be intentional with your marketing and your planning. And then after you've gone through the process of strategizing, planning, the process of strategic marketing is also analyzing what you've done, and then implementing the plan, and then going back again in the end and say what worked and what didn't work. And the way that we do that is we keep a close eye on our KPIs, on our key performance indicators. So there are many processes in strategic marketing. The communication process in strategic marketing is the process of getting the information to our customers that's going to actually convince them and persuade them and get them to do what we want to do. And that involves selling, advertising, and then we'll also look at some sales and promotional tools. And there are many marketing channels that you can use, but in this day and age, you need to focus on digital marketing. Even if you have a lot of money to spend on marketing, digital marketing is so important. And so when we're talking about digital marketing, what we mean is, the websites, the blogs, your videos, your email marketing campaigns, your social media accounts, all of these together make up your digital marketing strategy. And so, in each of these categories, you should have a plan. You should have a plan in place. And I'll give you lots of resources that you can use if you're maybe not as tech savvy or you need a little bit of help. And just a basic, way back, harken to the days of marketing. If those of you who took marketing in college, you might remember the 4 Ps or sometimes the 5, 7, 8 Ps of marketing. But the core of the marketing mix is not just about the advertising, right? When we think marketing all the time, we're thinking often, we're the advertising. We're talking about advertising, but there's a lot that goes into that marketing mix. The product, the price, the place, and the promotion. And by place, we mean the distribution channels, and all of these decisions together go into your marketing strategy. and make a difference. So we're going to start with social media marketing. And actually, I'm going to stop this video here, and then I'll start back up on the next video with social media marketing. See you very soon.